Okay, guys, we're in Willow. This is Punta Gorda, Florida. It's a Lennar and a Toll Brothers community. Amenities they're working on currently. They're going to be done in June of 2026. You'll have resort pool, pickleball, tennis, yoga lawn, lots of fun things to get to know your neighbors. So this is the Marsala. They're asking $480. It's a big house. It's got a pool and spa in the backyard. We're going to get to all of it. So here's our entryway. Of course, I can get that price down, so call me. Anyways, here's your guest bedroom. Front of the house, we've got a walk-in closet. I mean, this is a family home, or those of you with a lot of guests. You've got a really large, for a guest bath, with the tub shower combination, you've got a really large bathroom there. And look at how private, like right off the front. Here's your den. Now you can use this however you want. Nice versatile space, okay? And then over here, just pointing this out. So here's a separate laundry room where you can close the door, okay? This is not where you're walking in from the garage, how so many of the floor plans are, including my house, where, you know, you're stepping over laundry baskets because this is also a laundry room. So I really like this little feature, how they turned it around there. Here's another guest bedroom with an ensuite again. How fantastic. You guys, this is like the perfect place. This one has a shower, no tub. That's okay. All right, now we're going this way. Look at this kitchen. Shut up. I love this kitchen. You've got counter space over here, all of these cabinets. You've got the island. You can do under cabinet seating for stools. You've got all of this real estate for cutting, prepping, serving. I mean, you can absolutely host a party. And you all know I love a corner pantry. House has to have a corner pantry. This here is your dining room space. You pop that out, you do a lovely chandelier, nice dining room. This all over here is going to be your living room space. TV over here. Look at your view. Look at this. We haven't even got to the owners, but I mean, we have to stop. Like, this is the showstopper, you guys. This is a hot mess, but they're going to clean it up and it's going to be beautiful. It's going to look like that. Nice blue and clean and gorgeous. Right now it's messy, but you're going to have your own pool with the spa and a view of this pond. By the way, these ponds, you can fish in them, but it is a catch and release, so you got to let it go. And there are gators in there. If you don't like gators, don't move to Florida. Seriously, I'm not trying to be rude, but seriously, they're everywhere. But they're not going to hurt you. Don't bother them. They won't bother you. Okay. Owners. King size bed. Sorry, you can do a king size bed in here. Chest of drawers on both sides. Plenty of room for, you can even have a chair over here and seating, plus your dresser and your TV above that. You've got two large, really good size walk-in closets. Look at this owner's bathroom. This shower, you can get 4 people in here. You have the transom, which I love that for natural light. You've got the double sinks. I like that they give you a little bank of drawers, and you have your toilet facilities. Plus, the 2 of you can move around. Like, this is a good size bathroom. Okay, guys, they're asking $480 for this property. You can probably get it for less. You can definitely get your closing costs covered and potentially a lower interest rate on this because it is an inventory home and it's almost ready to go. So if you're ready to go to buyahousewithbarbie.com. Like, subscribe, and follow me. Let's talk about your wish list.